Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the static shift racing on your phone, no jailbreak. So as you can see guys, I got tons of money, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. So what we're going to do is go to this website. It's called Hex Mods. Alright, so once you're on this site guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in static shift racing, and as you can see guys, it comes right up. So there's a bunch of apps on here, but there it is, static shift racing. So just press on it, press the download button, and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet guys, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself because this is super insane guys, and it is a fully working method. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. You simply go to the search bar and it will come up. Now if we go to the App Store and type in static shift racing, you guys can see it is super expensive. So let me just type it in right here. So here's the game, and then we go to in-app purchases, and you can see it is super expensive, which is why I would not encourage you guys to spend any money in this game because you can get everything for free. So yeah, be sure to try this out. It's super awesome guys. This is a fully working method. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool. So yeah, as you can see guys, I got like 15 million there, and then I got 1.9 million money, so pretty cool guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I mean, I've been looking for these methods all over the place, and personally I'm not really finding anything, but this method actually works guys. So yeah, you just go to the search bar and type in static shift and it should come right up. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video, and you can see they got all these apps on here, which is pretty cool. They got tons of mods, so I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool guys, fully working version. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out.